Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Monday, September 12th, 1:18 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. Look at blockchain companies. Yep, the technology of blockchain is used for cryptocurrencies and is used for other businesses. First, each chart will be having candles represent 1 week. Obviously, since today's Monday, the current candle is only representing so far today. And we'll identify if we take out the high or low of last week, or if we're still trading in the range of last week. Plus, the chart will represent a longer duration for several years. Well, first off the bat, as happened several times in the past year, some of these companies got taken off the stock exchange because they're very similar to pump and dump scams. Yep, here we go. One stock symbol, Bravo, Delta, Romeo. Let's look what happened. So in a search engine, I'll type what happened to the stock ticker, Bravo, Delta, Romeo. New York Stock Exchange. Yep, that makes sense because it's 3 letters. Suspended trading immediately. Back in June this year. Yep. The company has requested a review by the New York Stock Exchange delisting determination before committee. Well, obviously, since then, it's been delisted. Yeah, they did not maintain the requirements, shamefully. You can read more about that yourself. Let's go back to the charts. And this, again, has happened to so many blockchain stocks over the years. Here's another one, Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Foxtrot. So it's got 5 letters, the 5th letter being an F. Whenever it ends in the letter F, if it's got 5 letters, again, the 5th letter ending in F, that means it's a foreign company just from another country. So looking here, let's first put this to the max. There we go. Several years ago, the high was $3.15 and the low was 0. Yeah, you think that was a pump and dump? Yes. Let's go back to the weekly. And look, it's currently trading 4 decimal places to the right. That's garbage. Again, that's what happened to a lot of these, just garbage. Next, Bravo, Lima, Kilo, Charlie, Foxtrot. Another one. Look at that. Wow, to the decimal up here. See my icon moving? Look, all these numbers to the right of decimal. Excuse me. Sorry. It can't even hold a penny. That's terrible. Yeah. Let's put this to the max, see where it was ever. There we go. It's all the way back there. Wow. Probably about $1.40. And since then, it's pump and dump. Garbage. Shameful. Next one. Bravo Tango, Bravo Tango. That was a high of last year, $33. And now look at it. $1.56. Garbage. And so we already took out the high of last week. Take this to a higher time frame monthly. Yep, that was the high, $33. Low is 28 cents. Garbage. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Sierra, high of $11.05 last year. Now it's currently trading $1.66. Wow. Struggling down here. Charlie, Romeo, Charlie, Whiskey. Wow, 2 years ago, high of $75. And now it's 50 cents. And look at that. Currently, we just took out the low of last week. Bad shape. Bad shape. Let's put this in max. Wow. Really? All the way back then, it was $642. Wow. Apparently so. Hate to be the sucker that bought up there and held it. So here's one that came to a stock IPO recently. Coinbase. It's a cryptocurrency stock exchange. It's garbage. Charlie, Oscar, India, November. So currently, we did take out the high of last week and put this on a monthly. The IPO price last year, 400, or the high of last year, $429.54. And since then, it's made new lows. Bad shape, really bad shape. Let's put this back on a weekly. There's been so much pump and dump on this company on mainstream media business channels. And they don't follow up on interviewing those people that make those comments and find out exactly what their investment is. Is it just getting paid just to come on and talk up, but not to own it? A lot of garbage. November, India, Lima, Echo. There we go. 2 years ago, $10.94. And this year, low, 22 cents. So currently, we're inside the candle. We didn't take out the last week's high or low yet. Let's put this a monthly. Wow. Is that correct? No way. That's what it's saying. You put that in, you double check. Wow. Really? Above $1,000, above $1,100 is saying? Delta, Sierra. Okay. So currently inside candle for the week and near the lows of the year. Again, another one below a buck. Garbage. Put on a monthly. Again, that one said years ago it was 1,700, 17,800. Really? Wow. Shame. Let's go to the next group. Foxtrot, Tango, Foxtrot, Tango. So currently for the week, we're already above the high of last week. Yeah. Again, look, it's below 50 cents up here. Garbage. Near the lows of the year. And look at that. Last year, the high was $11.29. Who was buying up there? Somebody was the last one to buy up there. That represents the last trades went off. Wow, somebody bought the high. Fear of missing out. It's not a good reason to purchase a financial instrument. Golf, Bravo, Tango, Charlie. So we are above the high of last week. Look at that, already turning red, selling off near the lows of the year. That high of $58.22 last year. That was the all-time high. Garbage. Golf, Romeo, Oscar, Whiskey. Currently $3.65. There was the high of last year. And currently, we're almost at the low of the year. Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Alpha. Marathon Digital. Yeah, not good. Here's the high, 83.45 last year. Currently down $14.22. Yep, look at that. Red. So we are above the high of last week. Struggling right there. Yeah. So again, this was a recent IPO not too long ago. Filled. Mike, Goff, Tango, India. Currently less than 50 cents. Look at that. All those numbers they got to do. Can't believe they still got listed. They haven't got kicked off yet. Again, these are different ones. These are on the OTC exchange. So that was a high last year. And here we are almost near record lows. Mike, Sierra, Tango, Romeo. High of last year, $1,315. Currently $257. So we're above the high of last week. Yeah, bad shape. Very popular 1 year ago. Riot, Romeo, India, Oscar, Tango. High of last year, $79.50. Currently $8.34, way off the highs. Took out the high of last week. Again, it's just short-term news. That's people trading, and they may not be investing. It may just be day trading. That's why some of them might be still above. You might see today or tomorrow, this week, them sell off. Sierra, India, $239.26. The high of last year, currently $96.53. Yep, same pattern. A lot of them just struggling above the high. I mean, above the high of last week. Sierra, Oscar Sierra, oof. For that last year, $15.88. Currently $6, just above the high of last week. Whoa, this is sloppy stock, not looking good. Let's go to the last few of them I have. So see all these empty grids. They used to have stock symbols. They got delisted. And I had more. If you look here, it says Crypto 03. I recall I had up to 5 different pages. They're all gone. They're all gone. So have many less. I wonder how many of these are going to make it through the rest of the year. Sierra Romeo Alpha X-Ray, high of last year, $7.29. It's an acceleration phase down here, just above the lows of the year, and inside candle struggling right there. Distribution not looking good. X-Ray November Echo Tango. That was the high last year, $11.22. Currently $1.60. Garbage. Bravo India Tango Oscar. Currently $13.78. Again, same thing. It's just up briefly on news. Because the overall industry is up on news, most of them are just going up because the other ones went up, not necessarily have any relevance to what the underlying company might made an announcement with. There was an all-time high. Bad. 44.29. Charlie Romeo Kilo Romeo. That was a high last year, $11. Currently 26 cents. Garbage. Wow. Near the lows of the year. Bad. Let's see where this was next. Well, several years ago, $25.60. Bad shape. And Bravo India Tango India. Currently $33.84. And look at this one. It actually went down. Went down from the range of last week. So we finally see one that, yep, it's trading below the low last week, where most of them took out the highs of last week. Very shady. Very shady. Wow, look at the monthly garbage. Put it on a daily. Yep, it's in big shape. So this is how pump and dumps work. Yep, shameful. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.